इसमें सर्जरी है, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है फर्टिलिटी स्पेयरिंग सर्जरी, जिससे फर्टिलिटी आप बाद में कर सको। मोस्ट सर्जरीज फॉर एंडोमेट्रियोसिस कैन बी अचीव लेप्रोस्कोपिकली। सिम्टोमेटिक एंडोमेट्रियोटिक चॉकलेट should not just be drained, but the inner cyst lining should be excised to reduce the risk of recurrence. However, this will be associated with the damage to the functional ovarian tissue. Therefore, when drainage is performed as an adjunct to fertility treatment, drainage only may be considered. Deposits of superficial peritoneal endometriosis can be easily ablated or excised during laparoscopy using diathermy or laser energy. Specialist surgery is needed to treat endometriosis where the disease has caused extensive adhesions, distorting normal pelvic anatomy, or involved other organs such as rectum, large bowel, or bladder, or when there are rectovaginal nodules of disease. Recurrent risk following conservative surgery are as high as 30%. Therefore, concurrent long-term medical therapy is often necessary and started straight after surgery. Hysterectomy and oophorectomy. Hysterectomy with removal of the ovaries and all visible endometriosis lesions should be considered only in women who have completed their family and have failed to respond to more conservative treatment. Women should be informed that hysterectomy will not necessarily cure the symptoms or the disease. Estrogen only hormonal replacement therapy can be started immediately following surgery once the patient is mobile, but some surgeons prefer to defer commencing HRT for up to 6 months to prevent एक्टिवेशन ऑफ एनी रेजिडुअल टिश्यू, क्योंकि हो सकता है कहीं एक्स्ट्रा यूट्रस से बाहर कहीं पड़ा हुआ हो टिश्यू. Combined estrogen progesterone HRT can also be considered as a suppressive treatment where reactivation of new or residual disease is suspected. Chronic pelvic pain is a debilitating condition among women which has a. अब जो कॉजेज हैं, सबसे पहले कॉजेज देखो, गायनेकोलॉजिकल हैं, सेंट्रल पेरिफेरल गैस्ट्रोइंटरनल यूरोलॉजिकल मस्कुलोस्केलेटल नर्व, सब आसान एक बार रीडिंग मार लेने से कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. अब इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये है कि इट्स डिवाइडिंग सिंड्रोम among women which has a major impact on health related quality of life, work productive and healthcare utilization. इसको जो डिफाइन करती हैं वो कहते हैं इट्स एन इंटरमिटेंट और कांस्टेंट पेन इन द लोअर एब्डोमेन और पेल्विस ऑफ अ वुमन एटलीस्ट 6 months इन ड्यूरेशन, नॉट अकरिंग एक्सक्लूसिवली विद मेंस्ट्रुएशन, यानी कि डिस्मोनोरिया या और इंटरकोर्स एंड नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद प्रेगनेंसी. CPP present as a primary care as frequently as migraine, asthma or low back pain and account for 20% of all outpatient appointments in gynecology. The etiology हमने बताई दी है, सब के सब देखने हैं तुम्हें. Diagnosis के लिए thorough history should include questions about the pattern of the pain and the association with other problems such as psychological, bladder and bowel symptoms and the effects of movement and posture on the pain. An abdominal and pelvic examination should look for areas of tenderness in pelvic muscles as well as distortion or teething or prolapse of the pelvic organs.